This video is made for educational and commentary purposes and includes significant original narration and analysis.
Jesus Christ, it's 20 minutes? You're not seeing. Then stop. Shit. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oh, cool. That's great. That's great.
He wasn't very happy about that. He was not calm about it. He was a teenager.
Jesus Christ!
And he was found that
GPS connected.
it had been exciting.
Jesus Christ.
Gaslight. Really? Trying to gaslight me, mother.
I ain't doing shit.
Fucking dick.
You know, I would have let you in if you weren't such an asshole.
I know.
Dickhead. What is wrong with you? Like, what the What's wrong with you? God. Dipshit. Go! 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 God.
Shit. My God! What the hell?
Okay, Garmin. Save video. Holy are you
Put you on hold, make sure you get your prize, okay?
Thanks, everyone.
All right, man, take care. Yeah.
How do you feel about that, Ron?
You can't go into a restaurant and get things in the blanket, can you? That's just something that you...
Dude, come on.
what the fuck? Holy shit.
What are you doing? You know it merges, dumbass.
The video is locked.
What the f? You got camera? Bro, you're...
Their new roundabout.
Use the right lane to take the I-95 south exit, then slide right onto the I-95 south route.
Insurance, but can be used instead of insurance, including Medicare and other federal and state-funded programs.
De stress post-traumatique présentait une sensibilité réduite au cortisol. Dans la population en général, le taux de cortisol suit un cycle au cours de la journée. Il est élevé au réveil, puis diminue progressivement. Mais chez les personnes souffrant de stress post-traumatique, en moyenne, on observe...
Yo, you just... Are you fucking serious?
Thank you for watching this video. I hope the message of driving safely resonated with you. If you feel this video is important, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you can help spread awareness about safe driving practices and potentially save lives. Thank you, and stay safe on the roads.